We're rolling, we're rolling. Good afternoon, everyone. It's about 2:30 in the afternoon. We have had a very, very noisy day today. We've got another building site 2 doors down that way. And they've been carrying on since 7 o'clock this morning. Do you think I'm happy? No. I just found out that the house next door to me, this one here, is a halfway house for disability people, which I'm not terribly happy about because there's not a lot of security, and apparently there's going to be 5 people living in that building with an on-site carer, so we have to do something about more privacy with regards to the house next door. But I'm actually dressed, not in my dressing gown today. My God, he's big. The magpie up the back there. So I'm actually sitting here eye level in my garden. Calendulas are putting on a fantastic show. And this potato plant, well, it's looking a bit done. So it has been in the ground since February this year. So I tried to make it to July, because it's the 30th of June today, for this plant, but I don't think it could go any further. Otherwise it would have been 6 months in the ground. So yes, I'm eye level in my garden at the moment. So yes, weeds. So I'm going to try and pull this plant up and see if there is anything, excuse the shakiness, in here. Oh dear. Oh dear, Sir Jack. Yeah. Hang on, let me just get down here. Ooh. Ooh. That's all rotted. Please tell me I have something. Potato. Hang on, let me just get back on my knees. I've been busting my guns to find out. Oh, there's another little one. What is underneath this plant? And I can feel them. Probably. Oh. 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 I can feel them. So, there we go. We'll take the tiny ones too. Now, one thing I have noticed in this soil is no worms. Oh. Oh. And to be honest, I really didn't need any potatoes this week. And the soil is so cold. We are in the middle of winter and the air has been so cold. I think that is it. I hope you're getting that on camera. Look at those babies. Oh, happy, happy, happy. Now, broccoli is still going well. I had to fight off some. Ooh, there we go. Had to fight off some cabbage moth butterflies because they were just hanging around. So let's go back and weigh these because I've got the scales set up. Let me just walk. Now before I do, the next harvest will be this one over here. This one here, because that's just about ready to die. And I planted 3 more tubs to keep me going. I don't think I need any more potatoes. This one's just shot through. This one hasn't popped through yet. So let's just go and just sort out these ones. A bag of potatoes like this in the shops will cost me $3.50. This is just from one plant. He is a big boy. So we're still rolling. And it's probably the culprit that decided to dig up my onions. Was I happy? No. So, hang on. I'll just transfer. Oh, look at them. They're a decent size. A couple of bacon sizes there. I'm quite impressed. Been busting to see what was underneath that plant. Now, these scales I still don't know how to use properly. So the experts will have to tell me. $4.98. Is that £5 of potatoes? I'll take that. It does feel pretty heavy. Let's have a look at the unit. I can't see. Sorry, my finger's in the way. I think there's somebody next door too. 4.98. Pretty impressed with that. Okay guys, I think I better go because I think there's somebody next door. I will talk to you all later. Bye.